Hi, I'm Ashan Kavananda, currently working as an Assistant Manager, Research and Programs at SLYCANTrust. SLYCANTrust is a non-profit think tank working on the thematic areas climate change, adaptation and resilience, environment conservation and restoration, and also social justice and animal welfare.
Hello, I am Tusita Sugatapala, Senior Technical Expert, SLYCANTrust. My area of expertise is basically looking at the broader context of environmental management on climate action and sustainable development.
My name is Julien Drieux. I am head of the Department of Geomatics in the French Institut of Pondichéry in India, which is a French research unit abroad. I am a geographer working on remote sensing with satellite imagery to monitor environmental changes and link them with questions about conservation.
I am Dr. Sunanda Kodikara, attached to Department of Botany, University of Ruhuna. So currently I am serving as a senior lecturer. At the same time, I am the local coordinator of SETRIC project.
One of the specific area we are dealing with is mangrove restoration on selected localities. One of the case study we can present basically in Dikovit area, where we have seen considerable damage on the mangrove ecosystem through both climate related disasters as well as anthropogenic interventions. So our aim is basically to restore these sites and demonstrate that the mangrove restoration could contribute to the broader context of sustainability and bring in local partners to the solution framework.
The French Institute of Pondichéry with local partners like University of Ruhuna, the ICES, University of Peradeniya and Eastern University, we have been working on a project called SETRIC about local changes in the coastline with rapid infrastructure development. The actual phase is about valorizing 2 years of research together, mostly publishing them and trying to communicate about the result of the program.
As I'm basically an ecologist, I would say that mangrove ecologist, that I'm working on mangroves. Basically mangrove restoration and what are the main factors that basically affects to reduce the success of these projects. In that case, we are just assessing the factors like that the faunal recruitment, soil factors, vegetation characters and all, to see that what is the level of success of mangrove restoration.
Under the Blue-Green Protectors program, SLYCANTrust has been working under mangrove conservation and restoration since 2018, and we have conducted restoration projects in Jaffna, Puttalam, Mena and in Gampaha. During our restoration work, we actively engage with the communities in the area. We involve the community in assessing the restoration sites. Further, we try to establish nurseries which are done by communities. Also, we focus on the local, national and international levels by publishing knowledge products, engaging in webinars and also sharing our work with other institutions.
As a university now, we are just focusing on how to make a countrywide map, so where people can just get involved, especially in mangrove restoration. So that is one of the lackings that we are having in Sri Lanka. So we wanted to do that one, as well as we want to make a sound methodology for those who want to do mangrove restoration in Sri Lanka.
In future, we have work related to mangrove and coastal ecosystems. It is the Ethical Pitch Accelerator program. It is a program where it promotes ethical, sustainable and climate-friendly business opportunities. Under it, we have the sectors waste management and tourism, where it directly relates to mangrove ecosystems, and we are working with Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority, where we focus on ecotourism and nature-based tourism. Further, we are focusing to share our project activities, the experiences with the people who are joining with us. And also in future, we are hoping to go into the Trincomalee district, where we establish knowledge hubs where further knowledge could be transferred. Also, I would like to invite everybody to join us in order to protect these mangrove ecosystems. Thank you.
So in relation to mangrove restoration, one of the key challenge is to manage the waste. Our approach is to localize this concept of holistic waste management, where all the local partners, including the local authority and other private sector and other community-based organizations, bring it into the common platform to engage with the program of holistic waste management. And especially we have involved different stakeholders to get engaged with this restoration program. We also allow them to get access to the other ecosystem services and also contributing to the other business models like the ecotourism and so on. So basically what we are trying to do there is materialize the concept of circular economy in the local context.
We are actually waiting for the result of funding in order to help Sri Lankan protected areas manager to work more closely with researchers locally, with the university in Sri Lanka. And we hope soon that this will be 2 more interesting years of research together, putting interdisciplinary in the service of a better management of protected areas in Sri Lanka.